Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio F91W. This is going to work for all Casio F91W variations and also similar models from Casio that feature the 3 buttons. So what you want to do is to press the mode button 3 times until you arrive right here. You are going to see the seconds beeping. If you press the button on the right, you are going to reset them to 0, so you can do that. If I press the top button, so the light button, I can now adjust the hours, so we can do that. As you can see, I have the 24-hour display, so I'm going to make it 14. I'm going to press the light button once again. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is something that is also available on Casio G-Shock watches. Now we have 14:30. I'm going to press it once again, and now I can set the month, so I can make it December. Now I'm going to press the button, so the light button once again, and now I can set the day of the month. Once again, you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so I'm going to make it the 15th. If I press it one more time, I can set the day of the week, so I have Friday now. And if you press it once again, you are going to go back from the top, so you can go through all the functions once again, and the cycle keeps on repeating. Once you are done, you simply press the mode button, and that is all. You now have the time and date set on your Casio F91W. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.